Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to discuss about how many times can you wind your Seiko 5 automatic watch. Now when it comes to Seiko 5 watches, there are going to be two types of Seiko 5 automatics. There are going to be vintage models, even some newer ones that do not feature the manual winding option. So those models are going to rely only on the rotor, so on the metallic piece on the back that actually winds the watch. So I'm going to show you right here. When you wear your watch, we have this rotor on the back, so this extra metallic piece that is going to spin. It is going to rotate as you wear the watch. So this means that your watch is going to wind as you wear it. So normally this means that you do not need to manually wind your Seiko 5 automatic. But on the other hand, in case you do not have a very active or proactive life, this means that you also need to manually wind the watch a little, let's say for it to run overnight. So that is why you can let's say wind it a few times. And also when you pick it up after a long period of time, you can give it a few winds, get the watch starting. Then you can set the time and date. I have a full guide for that, so make sure to check it out. And then you are going to rely on the rotor. Now when it comes to manually winding your Seiko 5 watch, we're going to do that by rotating it in a clockwise direction, so to the right, upwards. And you can do this around 20 to 40 times in order to fully wind your Seiko 5 automatic. Now some of you might be wondering whether you can overwind your Seiko 5 automatic by manually winding it. And the answer for the most part is going to be no, because from the 1960s up to now, Seiko introduced the slipping mechanism that is going to protect your automatic watch from being overwound. So whether you are going to go past those 20 to 40 times, at some point your manual winding isn't going to wind the mainspring anymore. It is actually going to slip in order to protect the mainspring. So you do not need to worry about that. Also, some of you might wonder whether you need to rotate the rotor to the right or to the left. Seiko also invented the magic lever, which is going to make sure that you can wind your watch both ways. This was a very interesting and innovative improvement that they did, and this means that you do not need to worry about whether your wrist movement has to go to the left or to the right, because your Seiko 5 automatic is going to wind in both directions. So guys, this was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you want to watch the full guide with your Seiko 5 watch, so how to also set the time and date correctly without breaking the movement, so the date will, make sure to check the full guide, link in the description box below. I'm also going to show you how to replace the watch strap, so how to interchange between a NATO strap, a leather strap, and you will be able to do that by yourself at home. So make sure to check out the full guide. Once again, link in the description box below. In case you enjoyed this video guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Also make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.